IELTS means International English Language Testing System. It is an English language test. IELTS tests for skills, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The listening test takes about 30 minutes. There are 40 questions. The reading test takes 60 minutes. There are 40 questions. The writing test also takes 60 minutes. There are 2 writing tasks, task 1 and task 2. The speaking test takes 11 to 14 minutes. It is a face-to-face interview. It has 3 parts. There are 2 types of IELTS. IELTS Academic, and IELTS General Training. IELTS Academic is for university study, higher education, and professional registration. IELTS General Training is for work, migration, and everyday English use. Listening and speaking are the same in both tests. Reading and writing are different. That is why academic and general IELTS exist. The total test time is about 2 hours and 45 minutes. There is no pass or fail. You get a band score from 0 to 9. Join IELTS today. Secure a better score.